So here are some advantages and disadvantages of superfloss. Disadvantages: that the part of regular floss is not waxed enough to use in between of normal teeth. It gets stuck, and by normal teeth I mean that it's not useful for tight contacts. And advantages is that Oral-B Superfloss has pre-cut strands. What is my recommendation is use Superfloss only for dental appliances like braces, bridges, or if you have white spaces, and simple dental floss for the rest of the teeth. Who is target audience? Ideal for patients with implants, orthodontic appliances, with large interproximal spaces, crowns, and bridges. And also ideal for young patients with primary dentition because they have white spaces between their teeth. So Superfloss has a package which contains 50 strands, and it has mint flavor. The product form is string, and it's plastic material. Suggested age is 2 years and up. There is no warning applicable, but still you have to be really careful with the first in the threader because it may have tissue trauma. And the purpose is oral care.